I am Ina Rose Almirante of BS ECE 3A1, and this is my output video for ECE 28 Laboratory, activity number 10, demonstrating the AT28C16 EEPROM used to store data and shows it on a 7-segment LED display. And my individual digits of my ID number is 20230032.